Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cash out from Coinbase in 2026. Are you ready to turn your crypto into real money? Let me show you how to cash out from Coinbase step by step just by following these few simple steps. Now before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, transferring, and storing cryptocurrency. And if you'd like to join this platform, you're just gonna have to go to coinbase.com and make sure you sign in if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account already, you can click on sign up and create an account from the start. You can enter information about yourself, about your payment methods, etc. Then you can proceed and create the account. Once you create an account, you're gonna make sure to sign in. You're gonna open the Coinbase and click on buy and sell. Now make sure you have an eligible cash balance. You may need to sell or convert crypto to your cash balance. Now, to cash out from your Coinbase, you're gonna confirm the sale. You're gonna switch to the sell tab after you click on buy and sell, then choose the crypto you want to sell and enter the price for the amount. The second step is to preview the sale. Now review the fees and confirm the sale, and now your funds will appear in your cash balance. Now you're gonna have to withdraw the cash. You can do that by going to assets. Then you're gonna click on cash balance and you're gonna tap on cash out. Now after you tap on cash out, you're gonna choose the payout method. You can select your bank account or your PayPal, then enter the amount and confirm. And make sure to check the network and the transactions fee before selling, especially during high market volatility. And that's it. You've successfully cashed out from Coinbase. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.